Okay, welcome to AIS Musical Studio. So we will continue working on this character. This is a 2D character, and we are transforming this 2D character to a 3D character. So this is what we have so far. Let me show you. Okay, so first, little by little, we have the face. I retopology the head, okay, and I added the ears and so on. Let me show you about the topology. Okay, we have this over here. See this one here, like this, that goes from here to there. Then around, you know what, hold on people. I think there's a mistake over here. Hold on guys. Sorry about that. Let me go here. Let me see. Let me add this. Let me add a modifier to see if add a modifier to this. Let me see. Yeah, you see this over here? Let me go to edit mode. Yeah. Let me go to norm and recalculate outside. Yeah, that's better. See that? So recalculating it makes it better. Okay. So when I think about retopology, I think about this part over here for the eyes that goes around. Okay, I also think about this right over here that goes from here to here and on top of the nose. Okay, and I also think about this one from the top of the nose to this, to the chin that goes around like this. This one will go over here. And since I have a mirror modifier, I'm just working on just half of it. So of course this one goes from here to there, and this one is the other side. Okay, and then I think about one that comes from here all the way down to the chin like this, all the way around. Okay, and oh yeah, for the lips, think about this part over here like this. And then there's another one that comes from here for another circle over here. So those are the guide that I always use when I do my retopology. Okay, now for the ears in the back. Okay, for the ears in the back, we also have one that goes around like this. Okay, then of course the ears will be over here. Okay, and also what I did, it was the shorts. I added this belt, and then let me added that bird and belt, and I added this short right there. For the boots, okay, that's better, so you can see better. So let me put this one. This is the low poly, and this is the high poly. Look, this is the difference between both of them. Okay, this one doesn't have any details. This one has more details to it. I added more details to it. It has these. We added these. We had those buttons that I added. He has those shoelaces. These shoelaces, they comes in 3 parts. Very easy to do, not that difficult to do. And I will show you all I added this plate. This is a simple plate that I added. See, right here. See. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use the vertex paint to paint this character. That's the plan. To make it more cartoony. It needs to look. The idea is to look like this one. Okay. So here's the plan. What I will do is I'm going to collect all the videos that I have recorded already. I'm going to put them together, and I'm not going to explain anything. I'm just going to show you, and it's going to be a little bit fast. You can slow it down if you want. And then after that, I will do individually. I will add like how I created the torso, how I created the head, how I created the legs, how I created the arm and the hand, and so on. Okay, so that's the idea. Thank you for supporting this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care.